Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best car carpet stain removers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best car carpet stain removers that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Tuff 350 Multipurpose Foam Cleaner. If you are on a tight budget, you can get this 350 from Tuff, which is a powerful multipurpose foam cleaner that works best on vinyl upholstery, floor mats, and carpets, as well as other washable surfaces such as tiles and painted walls. The product is packed in an easy-to-use aerosol can, which makes the foam application very simple, and helps to push the solution deep into the fabric so that it can provide a deep cleaning action, lifting dirt and restoring the original color of the underlying surface. On the downside, no towel is included in the kit, but with its price, you can easily get a wiping cloth with the saving that you make. Moving on at number 4. We have the Bissell 95C9 Eco-Friendly Car Carpet Stain Remover. It is important to be considerate of the environment even as you clean your car, and solutions such as this Bissell 95C9 are designed to be as eco-friendly as possible. Basically, the product is composed of a biodegradable detergent with a no VOC formula, no hazardous propellants, and is packed in a recyclable container that can be reused to prevent littering after use. That said, the remover is still very effective, and contains a stain lift technology that permanently removes stains and odors, such as pet soil, red wine, motor oil, coffee, grape juice, etc. However, the solution is only suitable for carpets and area rugs, and comes in a relatively small 14-ounce packaging, but with a trigger spray mechanism for shooting the high-pressure cleaner deep into the fabric. At number 3, we have the 303 Products 30676 CSR Stain Repelling Car Carpet Cleaner. Apart from being a carpet stain remover, this product from 303 Products helps to prevent and repel stains caused by dirt, mud, coffee, soda, spills, and food. This means that you can use it beforehand as a precautionary measure to prevent staining afterward or make it easier to clean the carpet after staining. The cleaner achieves this by layering a powerful water repellent coat, which keeps stains from reaching the underlying fabric for easy cleaning later on. That said, this product is safe to use on all natural and synthetic fibers, which means you can clean all fabric seats, floor mats and carpets in your vehicle with it. Other benefits include coming in an easy-to-use trigger spray bottle, and though the solution may cause skin and eye irritation, it is not flammable, making it a bit safer to use. At number 2, we have the Turtle Wax 50838 Best Car Carpet Stain Remover Kit. Turtle Wax's 50838 gives you the best value for money because it comes as a complete kit containing 2 18-ounce multipurpose cleaners and stain removers, 36 ounces in total, 1 microfiber towel and micro scrub brush caps, which are detachable for ease of use. Each of the 2 cleaners is formulated with an oxygenated cleaning solution that provides powerful stain removal, while also encapsulating and removing the bad odor that is caused by smoke, food, pets, and many others. Basically, the stain removers have a triple action formula that cleans, deodorizes and finishes off by protecting your fabric, vinyl or carpet from staining afterward. Application is also simplified by the use of aerosol cans, which spray the formulation deep into the fabric, creating a powerful foam that lifts all kinds of stains, be it coffee, ketchup, grease, oil, mustard, etc. However, this cleaning is limited to plastic, vinyl, upholstery, and carpets. And finally at number 1, we have the chemical Guys SPI _191 _16. If you are looking for an extremely strong carpet stain remover, this one from Chemical Guys is a good option to consider, primarily because it has a highly concentrated formula that is very powerful, but still very gentle on fabrics. The product can actually be diluted with distilled water in the ratio of 20:1, which shows you just how concentrated it is, and this dilution is recommended when scrubbing light fabrics or light stains. That said, this stain remover can be used on carpets, sofas, upholstery and a variety of other fabrics, in which it also helps to prevent future staining by leaving a protective layer as you clean. Aside from this, the solution also has a deodorizing function that leaves your interior smelling fresh and new. Other features include having an easy-to-use trigger spray bottle application mechanism, and while on fabric, the concentrate does not destroy the color or cause it to fade. However, no towel is included in the package for wiping purposes. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.